Hello, I am Indrajith Prakash of class 9. Today, September 16, 2022, which is celebrated as the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer since the year 1995. This date has been chosen by the United Nations General Assembly in its resolution to remember the signing of Montreal Protocol in 1987. The ozone layer is a natural part of our atmosphere. It acts like a protective sunscreen by blocking harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. As a result of ozone depletion, there will be increase in Earth's temperature, melting of glaciers, cancerous diseases, rise in the level of ocean, and many more. For keeping ozone layer safe, there are many simple ways. Avoid buying and using aerosols and sprays made up of CFC. Avoid using fire extinguishers which destroy the ozone layer. Choose to buy a refrigerator or AC without CFC. Use alternative means of transport, buses, bicycles, or simply walk or carpool. Follow the 4Rs policy, that is reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover things at home and school. The ozone layer is just like an umbrella. As an umbrella protects us from sun and rain, the ozone layer present in the atmosphere protects the earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. Remember, if we protect it, it will protect us. Thank you, and I hope all of you will spread the message around.